Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But for entrepreneurs, investors, and everyday people who've cracked the code, this is reality. It's called passive income, and it's one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and freedom in today's world. Here's the truth. If you're only relying on your job, you're trading time for money. You stop working, you stop earning. That's why so many Americans feel stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. But passive income flips that model. Instead of you working for money, your money or your systems work for you. Think about it like planting a tree. At first, it takes effort digging the soil, watering, nurturing. But once that tree grows, it keeps producing fruit year after year. Passive income streams work the same way. You put in work up front, and then they keep paying you long after the work is done. So let's break down a few proven ways people in the US are making money while they sleep. First, investments. Stocks, index funds, and especially dividend-paying stocks generate income around the clock. Imagine owning a piece of Apple or Coca-Cola and getting paid just because those companies keep making money. That's the power of dividends. Second, rental properties. Real estate has been a classic passive income strategy for decades. Yes, it takes capital and management, but in the US, landlords earn consistent rental checks month after month, even while they're on vacation. Third, digital products and online content. This is the new wave. Entrepreneurs are making money by selling ebooks, online courses, or creating YouTube channels and monetizing with ads. Once the content is created, it can sell over and over without more hours from you. That's how creators earn while they sleep. Fourth, side hustles with automation. Things like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or print-on-demand businesses let technology and systems handle the heavy lifting. You set it up once, then watch it generate income while you focus on other things. Now, let's be real. Passive income isn't set it and forget it. In the beginning, it takes energy, discipline, and sometimes money to build. But once the system is running, it frees you from being chained to your desk or your boss's schedule. Here's how you can start today. Pick one area that fits your lifestyle: investing, real estate, or online business. Educate yourself. Read, watch, or take courses. Knowledge is the real investment. Start small by one stock, publish one digital product, or test one side hustle. Reinvest what you earn back into your system. That's how small streams grow into rivers. Picture this. Before you wake up dreading work because every dollar depends on your next shift. After, you wake up with money already made overnight that's not just in commits freedom. And yes, there will be challenges. You might fail a business idea or watch a stock dip. But remember this, every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks. The difference is, they stayed in the game long enough to win. So if you're ready to break out of the grind and start building freedom, smash that like button. Share this with someone stuck in the 9-to-5. And subscribe for more wealth and growth strategies. Because the question isn't, can you make money while you sleep? It's when will you start?